Microsoft Edge has introduced a new split screen feature, allowing you to view and work with two web pages side by side in a single tab. This is great for multitasking, comparing information, or keeping an eye on two websites at the same time. First, make sure your Microsoft Edge browser is updated to the latest version. To use the split screen feature, follow these steps. Open Edge and navigate to any website. Then click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. On the drop-down menu, find option labeled Split Screen. Click on Split Screen option and the current tab will be divided into two sections. In the empty section on right side, you can either open a new website or choose an already open tab. For demonstration purposes, I will open YouTube again on the right side of the split screen. Each side of the split screen works independently, so you can scroll, click links, and interact with both pages at the same time. To exit split screen mode, simply click the X icon located at top right corner of chosen split screen. If you click on the three dots next to the X option, additional customization options will appear. The options include: open this web page in a new tab, separate two tabs, switch left and right tabs, switch to vertical, and open left links to the right. By clicking on Switch to Vertical, you will get a view with two screens, one below the other. If you want, you can open one of the screens in a new tab by clicking on Open this web page in a new tab. Try out the other options and find the combination that works best for you. This feature makes browsing more efficient, especially when working on research, comparing products, or managing multiple tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and updates.